Removal of the main lift cylinder takes just two tools, a 17mm wrench and a 4mm Allen wrench. It's extremely easy. We have two bolts that pinch the collar on the cylinder. So 17mm wrench to unscrew those. I've loosened them already. We'll take out one for you to demonstrate. Now these bolts have a bushing, gray bushing on them that either stays on the bolt or stays inside the cylinder. You don't want to lose that bushing. Same thing on the other side. Take the bolt out and the cylinder is loose. So now we also have to unbolt the rod end of the cylinder. All it takes is a 4mm Allen wrench. We unscrew the bolt that goes through the rod end. Bolt is out, and now we can pull the cylinder out. Ta-da! It's that easy. If you don't have the whole system upgraded and you decide to have just the cylinder rebuilt instead, then you do need to unscrew these hoses. Let's see, that is 17. That would be likely a 14mm wrench to unscrew the hoses. Pull the hose fittings off, and then you want to cycle the fluid out of the cylinder in the end before you send the cylinder to top hydraulics. There are sensors on the cylinder. No need to unscrew these sensors. You simply disconnect here at the connector, pull up the tab, pull the connector out, and out is your main lift cylinder.